Creating a Joomla website involves setting up Joomla, customizing its settings, and adding content. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install Joomla. Download Joomla from the official website. Set up a web server. Extract the Joomla files into your server's directory. Access the setup wizard through your browser. Follow the prompts to configure your database, admin account, and site settings. Choose a template. After installation, log into the Joomla administrator panel at /administrator. Go to System, install extensions, and upload a template of your choice to define your site's appearance. Add content. Navigate to content, articles to create and manage content. Use categories to organize articles and create menus under menus, main menu for navigation. Enhance with extensions. Add functionality with Joomla extensions. Install them via System, install extensions. Finalize and launch. Configure site settings under global configuration. Test your site on different devices and go live by pointing your domain to your hosting server.